The Apophis asteroid. Discovered in 2004, this interplanetary wanderer weighs in at 27 billion kilograms, or 29 million tons. There was a brief period of time where there was a chance that the asteroid may in fact cross the path of the Earth, coasting along at 30 kilometers per second, or 68,000 miles an hour. This quarter-mile wide space rock, if on a collision course with our home planet, would be cause for concern. So, what do you do to stop a rock from outer space from colliding with our planet if it is in fact on a collision course? We would have a few choices. We could either turn it, slow it down, or given the time, build one of these. We could hit it with a laser or try to break it into pieces, but then we'd end up with this. Again, an uncomfortable situation. On its final approach, an asteroid or meteor will slow down significantly as it travels through the Earth's atmosphere. So, to avoid an impact, if we can't split the asteroid into pieces or change its trajectory, we would normally have to wait until the object enters the atmosphere and rely on the atmosphere itself to slow it down. In this case, due to the size of the object, that would be too late. Could we bring the atmosphere to the asteroid? An asteroid interceptor. The payload is gas, sent on an intercept course to the offending rock at a closing speed of over 100,000 miles an hour. The interceptor would lay down a path of gas, a stripe of atmosphere not surrounding our home planet but halfway to Jupiter, a barrier of molecules 50,000 miles long. As the asteroid passed through this gauntlet of gas, it would begin to create heat and friction, and this friction would slow it down. This solution may in fact provide enough resistance to change the velocity of the object by less than 1%. That small change in speed would be enough for the Earth to wander out of the way, and as it did, the gravity of our planet may be sufficient to throw the object out of the solar system entirely. The object would swing behind us, make an appearance in the night sky, and be on its way. Not stopped or turned, but intercepted by a rocket carrying a payload of air.